Hello viewers, welcome again. And today I'm going to give you some baking tips, and it's just a short, simple video. And when I was a child, I did not know how to measure properly the flour when I'm baking. And today this is something interesting. I know many of us are not doing the right way, and it has been taught by my mom. So I'm going to share this in this video today with you. And so I'm having a measuring cup of 1 cup, a spatula, measuring spoons, but I'm not going to use it now. I'm going to use it later. A whisk, an empty bowl, but I'm not going to use them today. I'll be using them later. So let's measure the flour. I got almost a generous heap of all-purpose flour. I'm just going to show you how to sieve and measure them. Sifting is to loosen the flour, and also that it protects from the impurity of the flour. And now is the time we are going to measure the flour properly. So I'm going to get a spoon, and I'm going to just go spoon up into my cup. So I'm going to level them, and this is 1 cup of your sifted flour, and this is how we measure. Thank you everyone. Let me know about your comments about this, and I'll be bringing in more baking videos as well in the future, but this is just a starting point. Thank you, and please subscribe my video, share this video to everyone, and enjoy the benefits. Thank you, and see you again. Bye.